Hover Fest underway at Rongplim Plum. Kermi music team expresses gratitude to CM Tuliram Longhang. A very good morning to you all to Karbeng Long Live News. I'm Jillian Sepi bringing you news for today. And now the news in detail. With an aim to bring change in the rural, Rongthelu and Rongplim Plum areas of Karbeng Long, the third edition of the Hover Fest is being organized by the Hover Kangthor Aterang. The program kick off from Monday. Since 2019, the Hover Kangthor Aterang, led by young leaders including Onteron, Jirjar Timung, and others, have been organizing the Hover Fest to encourage local people, especially the youths. The first two editions of the festival were held at Rongthelu, and this year it is being held at Rongplim Plum LP School Playground. Unknown to many, Rongplim Plum is the native village of one of the most prominent figures in Karbi literature, Ru Bonglong Terang. This edition of the event, like the other years, will include several cultural as well as academic competition. Along with other events, a poets meet will also be held where eminent poets from all over the district will be coming to recite their poems. A new song, Milile, written by Onteron and sung by the duo Akanksha and Bishnu, will also be released during this fest. The most awaited session of the event will be the motivational and awareness session, where speakers including Maggie Katharpi from Diphu Government College and Dr. Lipson Rongpi along with Biren Inghi will be speaking. Organizers have urged the public to support their effort by being a part of the event. News Desk Report, Karbeng Long Live. A music team from number 9 Amreng constituency named the Kermi music team had expressed their gratitude to Karbeng Long Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Longhang for his kind assistance to the family of victims who died in an accident in 2018. According to the team members, the CM of Karbeng Long Autonomous Council Tuliram Longhang had sent help to the families of those who lost their life in an accident that took place in December 2018. On 2nd December 2018, a group of Christian believers were returning from a pre-Christmas celebration at Jirukindeng. Unfortunately, they met an accident on the way. During a commemoration of the incident on December last year, the local people write to the CEM through former OSD Elvin Teron seeking some assistance to the families. Accordingly, the CM had acted kindly and people had expressed their gratitude to him. The music team had also received some assistance from the Karbeng Long Autonomous Council chief, with which they have been able to buy several musical instruments.
Kermi music team secretary lo hare province singti Karbeng Long CM Tuliram Longhang apan kachuru parti jela person hello nirtum Kermi music team in pen son music hormu lason padure lason do samelang khan logo chup pidun bata application chup pidun penajo
tum tenam I music hormu medalin silo lapen sini bangke gitar lo lapen kithomo bangke la cek ase nelitum Kermi music team pen nelitum suri alang litum apan mate alang lipan same kadom ilo asinel itum music team approve do lahai lo alang litum kadom kowe same music team lo asinel itum la hormo tidor de kadure pen joksi alang lipan same sunuri nangko lo ase kewang japor an same alang litum same perce kacariang bong alang itu malang same anam headme tidodang lapen kadu ko welong an same kadang warat lo same anam headme tidodang wanse ne ditum Kermi music team hen pen kacuru alam thai ingtot koklo.
Samsung 80 report from Jirukindeng for Karbeng Long Live. With much anticipation for the state upcoming assembly election, the political parties of Karbeng Long are growing restless more and more. The party have urged upon all its party units and wings to reach out the last one in the society and win their confidence. In Sachek, the Mahamaya BJP Mandal Committee had begun their inspection of polling station or booth-level committees. During a program held on Monday at Langparpak LP School of Sori Teron Arong, the party leaders were able to bring into the family 38 new members who were earlier supporters of other parties. The program was chaired by Langlai Polling Station President Biran Kiling and Kethe Rong PPS President Vaisong Terang. It was attended by many dignitaries including Mahamaya BJP Mandal President Purno Ingti, BLCC Chairman Sorot Teron, Paklongkam Lams Chairman Biran Taro, Minority Morcha Secretary Samson Taro, Youth Morcha Secretary Pritom Singnar, among others. Speaking during the occasion, leaders of the party said that about 90% of the developmental works initiated in Mahamaya constituency are nearing completion. They also said that it was due to the good work carried out by the BJP that more members from other parties are joining.
Pini district Nirdeka Tengpen Niltum pulling wise laso meeting kedam naing laso tarik 5 tarik pen 11 tarik ang bong tang naing pusi nilto banang pingkhat do lasi halaso nang pingkhat teng pen si pini nilto Mahamaya 15 nong Mahamaya constituency arlo pini 31 PS do laso PS kedam nilto group throk si selam do lasi laso group 3 tami pini bangke 9 tarik pen 9 pen niltum chengpon lo lasi pini bangke niltum jutsi ang denglo lasi pini nilila Mahamaya mondol hisap lapen niltum BLCC chairman lapen ladak Paklongkam Lem Secretary lapen ST Morcha President lah kadok we nilitum a group laso group elong nilitum pini kijutsi ladak ketherong pi lapen langlai latum kadok we jointly si nilitum amai padupon lo si ladak anmu prai ladak bang harukdom muluk do lasi halso muluk a message bang elalo je non ke bang ji 21 son laso phansi nilitum election laso public meeting radaphan laso scheme sarkar pen ko PPC nange pi la penalitum ko PPC ke longdo noma pulahai kaddo ko che than chimung pon laso birta jito anirde ateng ke nilitum pini laso mai nilitum kaddo ko APS tinta damlo
nanglitum labangso polling station lo nang gumpi pen kupi dapat teknolog
lasiladak laso APS long nang kai homri ke lalo nilitum BJP ledakar bianglong putroson pen ini kar bianglong Thomas Council Haide pen lapen huloson la state long BJP sarkar long dak MLA tumpen MP tumpen kadok we ledak cerap situ pen pini bangke a message bangke lalo je pini hoklo kar bianglong long pini bangke BJP sarkar bang pen under the leadership tuliram ronghang lapen ledak MSC lapen party yen lumsing terong to anitopen pini ladak Mahamaya homosti long tame pini bangke laso kecing tur theklong pensi pini tame niltum laso PS to long tame pini bangke 38 abang pu pini bangke Congress CRC pini bangke BJP long nang marzum.
Samsung Inti report from Dongmukak for Karbeng Long Live. Well, those were the top stories for this morning. Stay safe and thanks for watching Karbeng Long Live.